Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So first we need to open up our settings in here. Scroll down into the bottom until you find the system. Okay, now we want to click on the reset options, and in here we can reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset device settings, reset app preferences, erase all eSIMs, and the last option that we are interested in the most, erase all data and factory reset our device. So for example, when it comes to the resetting mobile network settings, simply click on that and now click on this green button, reset settings. Okay, now, but we want to reset all phone, so click on erase all data. Now we need to remember that all of your data will be permanently lost from the device. So if you don't have a backup and you want to restore your data in the future, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when we are showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, and now all you need to do is to simply tap on this green button, erase all data, and then follow the instruction on the screen. And if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turn on again automatically. And the last thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. Okay, but I'm not gonna show you that process because I have there's another method that I want to show you, and it's by the recovery mode. And this option is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's unresponsive. Okay, so first let's turn off our phone. Let's tap the volume button and the volume up and the power button to launch the power menu, and now let's click on power off. Okay, now you can see that the screen went black, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Okay, now using the volume keys we need to find recovery mode, just like that, and now we need to confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, just like that. Now let's wait. Okay. Okay, now we can see the Android logo on the phone, and below it's saying no command. But to move forward we need to hold the power button and tap the volume up, and then release the fingers at the same time. So hold the power button, click volume up, release both fingers just like I did. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking on the power button. Again, select factory data reset. Remember that by performing that action, you will also lose all of your data. So have that in mind. Okay, now, once you have selected factory data reset, click on the power button. Now, on the bottom of the screen we can see a confirmation that data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System Now, tap on the power button, and just like in the previous case, the phone now will be turned on and you will need to set it up. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.